Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. My topic for this morning will be a long video format, and the subject matter will be algebra. This is an additional topic on my channel because I think students need some more, what you call this, concepts or lessons regarding this topic. So, for this morning, we'll be discussing the so-called long division. Not all of us are what they call this expert in the so-called long division because we forgot the concepts of the laws of exponents. Actually, long division is just an illustrative example and our knowledge of the so-called concepts of laws of exponent. Okay, let's proceed. I'll be solving a problem indicating or illustrating the procedure on how to perform long division in algebra or in any subject matter mathematics for that matter. Long division. Okay, I will try to give you the problem. Problem, divide using long division. We are given the what you call this algebraic equation, and the degree of this is actually to the fourth power. The given algebraic equation is or expression, because there is no equality. It is 2c to the fourth plus 5c cubed minus 11c squared plus 11c minus 20 close quantity. We will divide this by an algebraic equation, and that algebraic expression is just quadratic because the highest degree of the second expression is to the second power, so this is quadratic. So the divisor will be 2c to the fourth minus c plus 2 plus quantity. The problem is just asking if we try to divide this first expression by the second expression, what will be the value? Actually, the value is this one. Okay? But unluckily, we got a remainder here equal to negative 10. So, meaning to say, if we try to divide this first expression by the second expression, the partial quotient will be c to the or c squared plus 3c minus 5, and the remainder will be minus 10. Okay? The remainder is minus 10. Okay, let's try to proceed with the proper solution and how to bring out the so-called long division process. We will divide or rewrite rather the first expression. So we must have to write legibly, guys. The first expression is just 2c to the 4 plus 5c cubed minus 11c squared plus 11c minus 20. And we will divide this one. Long division, it is on this location here, right? So this is 2c squared minus c plus 2. The proper procedure on how to bring out the first partial quotient will be it will be something like this. You take the first expression or first term on the first expression. The first expression is 2c to the 4th. Okay? And the first divisor should be the one on the left. This is 2c squared. 2c squared. Right? So if we try to solve for the first partial fraction that will be coming out, we will divide the first term here by the first term on the divisor. Okay, so what will come out? Like what I said, it involves loss of exponents. C to the fourth is actually c square times c square all over, this is 2 times c square. Loss of exponent. Operation here are all multiplication. Operation here are all multiplication. So we are free to cancel, right? So these two here cancel with this. C square cancel with this. What will come out will just be simply c square. And what's the significance of this c square here? Meaning to say the first partial quotient, right? It will be c square. Okay? We are sure that the first partial square will be c square because we solve it backwards, right? So if we now try to write the first partial quotient, c square, right? Then we'll try to distribute. C square times 2c square will be 2c to the fourth, right? The coefficient will be 2. C square and c square will be c to the fourth, right? Next one. C square times minus c. A plus and a minus, this will be minus. And c to the first and c to the second power is actually c to the third power. Like what I said, loss of exponent. Next one. C square times the value 2 will be, it got no c here, right? So it will just be simply 2c squared. This is plus and a plus, so this should be plus. Okay? Then we'll try to put this horizontal line here. Then we'll try to perform the operation subtraction. We will subtract. Okay? Plus 2c to the fourth, the operation is subtraction, this will become minus, right? Right? So actually this cancels because the operation is subtraction. If we subtract using the second term, this is a minus, we will subtract, so this will now be a plus. Okay? So a 5c cubed plus a c cubed, the coefficient will be 5 plus 1, that will be 6. This is c cubed, this is multiplied by c cubed. Right? Next one. The operation is subtraction, right? A minus, this is plus, so this will become a minus. Okay? They are both negative now. So negative 11, negative 2 will be negative 13. This is multiplied by c squared. Okay? That's a part of the fundamental operation, guys. Then we'll put the horizontal line, right? Like we bring down this one as it is. We bring down minus 20 as it is. So the next expression that should be divided by 2c squared minus c plus 2 will be this one here. This is now 0, so this is gone. Right? The power of c decreased in power by 1 because we got the first partial quotient already. So how do we know the next partial quotient? We'll take this one. 6c cubed. Am I still in camera? Right? The first divisor should be 2c squared. This is plus, right? So this is plus. Okay, this is plus 2 squared. This is divided by plus 2c squared. Like what I said, we use the loss of exponent. 6c cubed can be written as 6 times c squared times c. C to the first, or just simply c. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? All over, this is 2 times c squared. The operation on the numerator and denominator are all multiplication, so we are free to cancel. This c square here cancel with this. These two here cancel with this will become 3. So 3 times c will just be simply 3c. So the next partial quotient should be plus 3c. Okay? Let's try to multiply by the divisor. A 3c times 2c square, 2 times 3 will be 6, right? Okay, a c square times c will be c cubed. Okay, so meaning to say 2c square times 3c is actually 6c cubed. It is a plus. Next one, 3c times negative c. Again, laws of exponent. A c times a c is actually c squared. So this will be negative 3c squared. Negative, right? This is plus, is minus. Negative. Next one. A 3c times 2, this is just a pure constant. It will be 6c. Okay? It is a plus. Then we'll put this horizontal line. Then we try to perform subtraction. If we try to perform subtraction, this is plus, right? This is minus, so this will become minus. Right? A plus 6c cubed minus 6c cubed, this cancels. So it is actually 0. This is a minus, but this is minus 3c, so this will now become plus. Okay? Their coefficient or their variable thing is c square, c square. So negative 13 plus 3 will be negative 10 times c square. Okay? Next one. The operation is subtraction, right? But this is plus, so this will become minus. Right? The variable is c. Different coefficient. This is plus 11, this is minus 6. So the coefficient here, if we try to add now, it will be 5c. We bring down negative 20 as it is. We didn't change the sign. We are just bringing it down. Okay? So how do we know the next partial quotient? Take this portion here. Negative 10c square. The first divisor is actually 2c square, right? We carry the sign. So this is actually plus 2c square. Okay? So this will become negative 10 times c square over 2 times c square. Operation are all multiplication. We are free to cancel. So this c square here cancel with this. This 2 here cancel with this. This will be 5. So the resulting next partial quotient should be negative 5. Right? So it's negative 5. Okay, we now try to perform the multiplication of the divisor. Negative 5 times 2c square will be negative 10c square. This is a plus and a minus. The coefficient will be negative 10, okay, times c square. This is negative 10c square. A negative 5 times a negative c, they are both minus, so this will be plus 5c. And negative 5 times a positive 2 will be negative 10. Right? We put this horizontal line. Then again, we perform the operation subtraction. If the operation here is subtraction, this is minus, right? So this will now become plus. So minus 10c square plus 10c square, actually they cancel out. Or the sum is 0. Okay? The operation here is subtraction. This is plus. So this will now become minus. Right? So a 5c, a minus 5c, the result will be 0. Next one. This is negative 10, but the operation is subtraction. So this will now become plus. Right? So a minus 20, a plus 10 will be negative 10. And this negative 10 here is the remainder. So the first algebraic expression divided by the second algebraic expression, sorry for that one, the whole partial quotient will be c squared plus 3c minus 5, and the remainder is minus 10. Okay, that's it, guys. That's the way how to perform long division in algebra. I hope this will help you familiarize yourself on the concept of long division. It's just a matter of recalling our knowledge on the concept of what they call this laws of exponent. Okay, so for those of you who would like to subscribe to my channel is at youtube.com/@ProfDVJ If you want to share it, please click share. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles.